Imagine Apple dropping a brand new desktop computer for just $299. It sounds crazy, right? But it is actually very possible. Apple's brand new MacBook Neo is already selling incredibly well. It is doing even better than Apple expected. They originally planned to sell 7 million units. Now, they have placed rush orders for 10 million units. The laptops are simply selling out way too fast. People are rushing to buy them. So, if a $599 laptop can sell this quickly, just think about a desktop version. Imagine what would happen if Apple released a brand new, colorful Mac Neo for only $299. It would be designed to completely take over the budget Windows PC market. It would change the computer industry forever. Welcome to Educational Hub. Today, we are going to talk about this amazing possibility. I'm going to explain 7 incredible features and details that would make a new Mac Neo the best-selling desktop PC of all time. You will want to hear every single point because this could be the computer you recommend to everyone you know. Let's start with the first and most important detail. That is the unbeatable price of just $299. Apple Insider strongly believes this could be the actual cost. If the MacBook Neo is already flying off the shelves, imagine the sales numbers for a $299 Mac Neo. It will sell even better than the laptop. Why is this price such a big deal? Because right now, it is completely impossible to buy a brand new, reliable desktop PC for $300. You cannot do it. Even if you buy cheap parts and build a DIY computer from scratch yourself, the math just does not work out. Famous tech creators have tried to build budget PCs to compete with Apple before. They tried to build a $600 PC to beat the basic Mac Mini, and they failed. They simply could not match the performance for the price. So a $299 Mac Neo would completely dominate the entire budget computer market. It would be the absolute cheapest way to get a brand new, fast computer. Plus, it would be far more reliable than a cheap Windows machine. You will not have to deal with annoying Windows software glitches, constant forced updates, or random virus issues. Apple computers just work. And of course, it will look amazing. It will feature Apple's famous high-quality aluminum design in a very small package. This makes it an instant recommendation for anyone in your family. We all have that uncle or that grandmother who constantly calls for tech support. They always need help fixing their broken PC. If you tell them to buy a $299 Mac Neo, you will never have to hear from them about computer problems again. You just recommend this to everyone in your family, and there will be zero issues. Now, let's talk about the second massive feature. This is the incredible performance of the A19 Pro chip. If the Mac Neo becomes a reality, it will likely launch with this brand new chip a little bit later on. Right now, the A18 Pro chip inside the current MacBook Neo is already more than enough for most people. It has very high single-core performance. That specific type of speed is what matters most for daily tasks. It makes web browsing feel snappy and instant. It makes normal web-based apps run perfectly smoothly. The current chip also has dedicated ray tracing cores for amazing graphics. But the A19 Pro chip takes everything to a whole new level. It is faster in single-core speeds. It is faster in multi-core speeds. It is just faster at everything it does. So, getting that kind of top-tier power inside a tiny $300 desktop is mind-blowing. It means the computer will easily last for years without slowing down. Now, moving on to the third big feature. We have to talk about the RAM. The new A19 Pro chip comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM built right in. This is a massive upgrade. It would essentially fix all the memory pressure problems that some people face on the current MacBook Neo. Right now, the base laptop has an 8 gigabyte limit. When you try to load multiple heavy apps or keep many web browser tabs open at the same time, you can hit that limit quickly. 12 gigs of RAM is going to solve all of that completely. Let me explain how memory works on these machines. Right now, with the current laptop, the system uses about 5 gigabytes of RAM just sitting idle. That is right after a fresh restart with nothing else running. Then, if you open just 3 Safari tabs, the memory usage jumps to over 6 gigabytes. That leaves you with only 2 gigabytes of free memory. Once that is gone, the system has to start shuffling things around. It starts pausing your background tabs to save space. It also uses SSD swap memory, which means it uses your storage drive as fake RAM. But with the 12 gigabytes coming on the A19 Pro chip, the story changes entirely. In that exact same scenario with a few tabs open, you will have 6 full gigabytes of free memory left over. That means you get 3 times the amount of free RAM just by moving from 8 to 12. You will not feel any memory pressure. The system will stay fast, fluid, and responsive. So, this upgrade is a much bigger deal in the real world than it sounds on paper. The fourth point is about the design and the size. There's a huge chance that Apple could put the Mac Neo into a super tiny body. The easiest thing for Apple to do would be to just reuse the current Mac Mini shell. They could maybe remove a few ports on the front and back to save money and show it as a budget model. But they can go much smaller. Remember, this computer will use an iPhone chip. The A19 Pro is extremely efficient. It does not generate a lot of heat. Therefore, it does not need a massive cooling fan or a giant metal heatsink. It also does not need a huge internal power supply like the bigger Mac Mini uses. Because of this, Apple can package the Mac Neo into a much smaller chassis. Think about the size of the Apple TV 4K. That device is tiny. A computer that's small makes perfect sense. All you really need on a basic desktop is an HDMI port to connect a monitor, a headphone jack for audio, and 2 USB-C ports for your keyboard, mouse, or accessories. That is it. You do not need a dozen different connections. By stripping it down, Apple could easily fit an entire desktop computer into a box the size of your wallet. It would be incredibly portable. You could actually fit this desktop PC right into your pocket, take it to work, or travel with it. That is absolutely nuts to think about. This brings us to number 5. The tiny Mac Neo would actually be a budget gaming beast. This sounds surprising, but it is true. People are already playing tons of different games on the current MacBook Neo with the older A18 Pro chip and only 8 gigs of RAM. Gamers are using software like Crossover to easily run heavy Windows games. Some people have even managed to run massive games like Cyberpunk on this hardware. Beyond that, many users play a lot of retro emulated games. They play classic Nintendo games and old PlayStation games, and it runs beautifully. The A19 Pro chip in the Mac Neo would be even better for gaming. This new chip brings a huge boost to graphics performance. We're talking about almost 40% faster graphics speeds compared to the previous generation. It also brings new technological advancements for rendering images. This means you would be able to play even more modern games. You could run them at much higher frame rates for a smooth experience. But this graphics power is not just for games. It is also amazing for creative work. You will be able to do more intensive video editing. You can edit high-resolution photos without lag. You can even do 3D video rendering in programs like Blender. For $299, the creative and gaming value is simply unmatched. Our sixth point is all about the look of the computer. The Mac Neo would, of course, come in a bunch of very bright and vibrant colors. Apple did this with the popular iMac and the current MacBook Neo. People absolutely love the colors. If you look at the market right now, the basic silver MacBook Neo is the easiest one to find. You can order it online right now and get it delivered by tomorrow. But the special colors like citrus and blush are completely sold out. You cannot get them until next month. The more colorful a device is, the more popular it becomes with casual buyers. Imagine if Apple brings those exact same fun colors to the $299 Mac Neo. They could even sell color-matching accessories. You could buy a matching Magic Keyboard and Magic Mouse, just like they offer for the big iMacs. You would simply have the option to add those accessories to your cart when you buy the computer. It will make building a fun, personalized desk setup very cheap and easy. Finally, we arrive at number 7. This point is not exactly a physical feature of the computer, but it is extremely important for the entire tech world. The MacBook Neo and the Mac Neo desktop would essentially help save Apple and the rest of the industry from a massive global memory shortage. Right now, there is a crisis in the tech space regarding RAM production. Think about the big picture. Apple is going to sell at least 10 million units of a new laptop. Now imagine them selling another 10 million units of the Mac Neo desktop. because it becomes the best budget PC of all time. Both of these budget machines are designed to do a lot more work with a lot less RAM. They perfectly satisfy the needs of everyday users with only 8 or 12 gigabytes of memory. In the past, older budget Macs often needed 16 gigabytes to feel fast and handle heavy workloads over time. If Apple sells 20 million of these new highly efficient Neo devices, they're saving a massive amount of memory. That adds up to a total savings of 120 million gigabytes of RAM. Apple can then take all of that saved memory and put it into their high-end, expensive Mac computers. They can save it for the professional users who actually need huge amounts of RAM for extreme performance tasks, massive video projects, and heavy AI workloads. So by creating a highly optimized low-RAM budget computer, Apple is basically fixing the industry memory crisis one device at a time. It is a brilliant strategy for everyone involved. Personally, I really hope this device becomes a reality. In my opinion, the Mac Neo would be the single greatest product Apple has ever released for regular consumers. A $299 computer with premium build quality, zero viruses, and a lightning-fast processor would force every other tech company to do better. It would make computing accessible to millions of students and families who cannot afford a $1,000 machine. The value proposition is just completely out of this world, and I truly believe it would be the best-selling computer in history. Let me know what your absolute dream features would be for a brand new Mac Neo. What colors would you want to see? What would you use it for if you could buy an Apple desktop for just $299? Tell us your thoughts down below. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned to Educational Hub for all the latest tech updates, and make sure to watch our other videos for more awesome tech news.